What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to fix the closed comments issue that appears on some WordPress blog posts under the comments section. So let's imagine that you are navigating in one of your previously made posts, maybe this post have a month, a year ago, and into the comments you can see this message: comments are closed. Why does this happen? Normally, in some installations of WordPress, you make into the discussion under settings, you make the comments to be closed to older posts, but we can remove this in the case that you want, and this is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before anything, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? So let's start on our WordPress dashboard, okay? Navigate to our WordPress dashboard, and under the left side of page menus, we're gonna search for the menu called settings, and as soon as you hover your mouse over the settings, you're gonna move to discussion, okay? Once on discussion, we're gonna be able to see the discussion settings, okay? The default post settings, other comment settings, and this is the one we're gonna be looking for, email from wherever, before comment appears, comment moderation, disallow comment, keywords, and avatars, okay? So let's explore this option right here. Other comment settings. Automatically close comments on posts older than 14 days, okay? So this is the option that make our comments to be closed. You can enable this in the case that you want that nobody be able to comment a post that is after some days, okay? However, you need to remember that you're gonna be showing the message that I did show previously, okay? So as soon as you unmark this option and save changes, let's review the blog. As you can see, now you can do a comment once again. You can explore other settings, for example, comment author must fill out name and email, okay? You need to apply this, you can remove in the case that you want. Users must be registered and logging in order to comment. You can enable this in the case that you want. You can show comment cookies opt-in checkbox in the case that you have this. Enable the treated comments after the 5-level dip, and break comments into page after 15 top level comments into the page with last display. Comments should be displayed in with the older comments at the top of the page, okay? So you can change the order. And this, here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme and an awesome free WordPress plugin to power up your WordPress website, go to wordpress.org or go to visualmodo.com websites and search for our Enzo WordPress theme or for our borderless WordPress plugin. In addition, in the case that you are in need of some ready layout to start from, go to the pro version of our Enzo WordPress theme, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!